Okay, so creating a piece of artwork or something for your business, something for your children's rooms. We all love to be able to do this, and you can do this using the letter frames in Canva. They're really very effective. You can add videos and images and colour into them, so they're very versatile as well. So I'm going to show you how to create a design that looks effective very quickly. So we need to click on Create a Design, and I'm going to go for a Facebook post size just to show you, because we want something that is more horizontal rather than vertical. And then we go over to the elements section and we type in frames. I love the frames. They're very much like grids, but you get a huge amount of different styles and sizes, as you can see. There's some lovely ones here. So we scroll down, keep going, and you will come across the letters. These are brilliant. Right, a couple of hacks, a couple of tricks here. Add all of the letters for the word into your frame first. Don't try and add one, resize it, then add the next, or resize, because it will take you forever. So I'm going to type in spring. So SPRING and G. So I've added all my letters together. What I need to do now is just drag my mouse across the whole lot, and I've basically grouped them together. So I can now resize them all as one, and they all stay the same size. This is key. Okay, so now I need to move my letters so I can find the S, P, R, I, N, G. Drag your mouse across the whole lot again and go over to position and click tidy up, because it will space them evenly for you. Now they are very close to the edge, so I'm just going to bring them in a little before I click off, and I've got all of my letters equally sized and equally spaced in the center of my design. So I'm going to go over to my photos. You can either go to your uploads or you can use photos in Canva. And I'm just going to look for, let's type flowers, see what we get. I'm just going to click on some photos and I'm going to drag them into the letters. And you'll see very quickly how this can look effective. I'm going to add that to the eye. It's good to use images that are full, so they fill the letter nicely. Well, that's a lovely one. Add that to the G. So I have created that really, really quickly just using the letter frames and images. You can then add something different to this, keeping keeping with what you have created. You could add some flowers around the border. I'm going to add this one over here. You could add your business name, you could add your logo. I'm going to add, see what borders we have got. This is a nice one, just something a bit fun. I'm going to rotate it, which I can do. Add it in there, just in the corner. And I'm going to change the colour. I'll go for something, just something light. I'm going to flip it and add it in this side. So there you go, a really super simple way of creating a design that looks effective, is going to be eye-catching because you've got these images within the letters, but you can also add video into these as well. Let me just see if we have any flower videos. Okay, so this one, for example, I could add this into the R. And then when I click play, I've got my design with this R moving in my graphic. So have a play, add in some images, add in some videos in keeping with your word. It could be your business name, you could be adding videos and photos of your products, and then just add a couple of slight touches around the outside, and you will soon find that you have a really gorgeous design ready to go. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed that. I absolutely love creating designs using these letters, so I will always love doing this. So please click follow if you enjoy my videos, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.